ban pensyai paibah ya away na kikenja ba pyndonkam ki Khynnah skul nadu ka class 9 hadu class 12 kamtam na kabenta ki samla ki bawat kam la ka de haka kam sarkar haka jilla lani haka sarkar kami ka office u deputy commissioner Ri Bhoi district mentaga sngi ka arphunriu trik rempang kala penlong ya ka jingya kendu lang ya ki principal bat ki headmaster jong ki secondary school bat higher secondary school ka Ri Bhoi na kabenta ban pensyai syapang utiu apps khnang ba ki samla pule ki bawat kam sarkar kinio ki jihikai ki babani halor ki examination ba pher kham tam ba kinpen kre yala de langba ki jihikai ki ba kerpang ki bansayo jihikai da ka ba pyndonkam ya utiu apps ya ka ne ka jingyalang la penlong ha district library hall ha ka balai shimbenta lang da deputy commissioner ka Ri Bhoi district u Abhilash Baranwal u SDO ka Patar Khama civil subdivision u C Awasthi lembar ki weki officer na ka district.
Today we had a meeting with all the headmasters and principals of secondary schools and higher secondary schools of Ri Bhoi. The reason was because we wanted to demonstrate the app that we are launching in collaboration with Philo EdTech company. This app is going to have two features which will be relevant for Ri Bhoi. One will be basically for the students of class 9 to 12 where they can access help from any teacher on the app 24/7. And simultaneously the other feature will be regarding the youths who are preparing for government examination. So today was a demonstration by the people from Philo EdTech for the principals and headmasters. I'm sure that they were very impressed with what they saw. And the idea is that we want all of the children to be onboarded onto this app. This will be completely free of cost for them. And to take advantage of this, they can access AI to answer their queries. They can use the recorded lessons which are already present over there for every chapter, for every topic. They can also access doubt resolution within 30 to 40 seconds by any teacher which are already onboarded on their platform. And simultaneously, there will be personalized feedback that how a child is doing in which all topics. This feedback will be provided. Simultaneously, there will be a dashboard for us from district administration to see that how is each child performing. The same dashboard will be there for the principals and the headmasters to also see, to check that which students are lagging behind so that extra effort can be put to them.
So, sir, is this app officially launched today?
So, we cannot call it an official launch today. It was demonstrated today. They are still in process of hiring 2-3 local persons who can visit these schools. Simultaneously, we have also asked the schools to provide the information regarding the students from class 9 to 12. Hopefully, this will all be completed in 1 week's time. Immediately after that, all these students on their phone numbers will start getting the link to register on the app, and that can be considered as an official launch. It will be completely free of cost for all these students from class 9 to 12. The entire expenditure is going to be borne by district administration, and this is under aspirational district program. For all those youths who are preparing for government examination, initially we were of the opinion, because of the paucity of funds, that we'll have to charge them around rupees 100 per month. However, we have discussed with the company, we have discussed with Niti Aayog, and we have secured some additional funding so as to ensure that nobody will have to pay anything. It will be completely free of cost to those also who want to use the app for government examinations coaching.
Right. So the district administration Ri Bhoi has launched a comprehensive program to tackle not just the learning gaps but also complement the teachers of secondary and higher secondary schools in helping the child realize its true potential. Phase 1 of this Sampoorn Shiksha Kavach, as we are calling it, in partnership with Team Philo app, we are targeting students from class 9 to 12, wherein 5,000 students will benefit with absolutely free resources, one-to-one live teaching, doubt clearances, educational materials, classes, notes, you name it, and that's why it's called the Sampoorn Shiksha Kavach. Everything is there on that one platform, along with teachers getting access to it for them to be able to track individually the progress of every student. So I think that's a great advantage, and as you must have also seen today, all the teachers were overwhelmingly enthusiastic about this project and they are wanting to extract the most out of it. So I think it's a very successful launch for this.